Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Fabio and today I have a nice and slow yoga class for you. We'll be going through 7 different poses and we'll be holding them a little longer than usual. So if you're ready, hop on your mat and let's practice together. Today we'll begin in a puppy pose. So you can have your knees right underneath your hips, your arms extended forward, and now you can start melting the heart to the ground. Keep your hips lifted, keep your arms extended. Today we'll be focusing a lot on the breath. So pay attention to where the breath is focused right now, if you feel it more in your belly or in your chest, or maybe in both. Picture your heart getting closer and closer to the earth as your mind starts slowing down and your focus shifts to the flow of air in and out through your nose. Notice how your shoulders are opening, creating more space in your armpit area. Your hips are still lifted, and maybe your breath is becoming a little deeper right now, allowing the ribs to expand and contract a little more. Feel the earth supporting your pose. You're fully grounded, fully present, and connected to the sensations of this pose. If you're holding on to any tension or grip in your body right now, take a deeper breath and melt it away. Now we'll be shifting our weight forward, sliding towards the top of the mat, lowering the hips to the ground, lifting the chest off the floor, using the forearms as support in this Sphinx pose. The muscles of your back are active in this one. Visualize the parts of your back, of your spine, that are tighter and the ones that are more flexible. Use the breath to lift the sternum up and to open it forward. Maintain the connection between the navel and the floor. Here you can spread your fingertips and press them down for extra support, as well as pressing down with the tops of your feet to activate also the legs. Feel the energy of this pose coming from your feet, running up your legs, into your spine, and all the way up to the crown of your head. Breathe deeply, keep a long neck before slowly transitioning into the next pose. So now we'll be lowering all the way to the ground. So you can shift your weight slightly back, lower to the earth, opening the right arm at a 90-degree angle, chest to the floor, and then use the left arm for support as you roll towards the right side. So here it can be quite a deep stretch in the shoulder and in the chest, so you may have to play around with the height of your arm. You can also keep it fully extended to the side. Since I have tight shoulders, I'm holding a position here, but you can also bring the left leg towards the right side as well. So focus on the breath. If you feel any pain, you can come slightly out of the pose. Otherwise, hold it there. Breathe into your joints. And again, try to focus on the connection with the earth. Your body is fully grounded. There's no need to hold on to any tension right now. Over time, your body and your mind will get used to this pose, so it will become a little easier. You can slowly make your way back to center and then transition to the other side whenever you're ready. Remember to move slowly and with control. That way your muscles will get a chance to relax even deeper. So here I'm using my right arm to push towards the left side. My left arm is bent 90 degrees and it's fully grounded. And again here you want to open that left shoulder, opening through the chest as well. If you feel nice and comfortable, you can also bring the right leg towards the back of the room, but I'm holding it here for today. When we're tight, the first thing we tend to do is to hold our breath. So make a conscious effort to deepen and let the air flow in and out through your body. Almost picture as if you could breathe through the left shoulder. So feel your muscles releasing, softening. And now feel your breath becoming a little deeper. Release slowly, coming back through center. Reminding yourself to move slow, nice and controlled. There's no rush here. And again, with control, we're gonna be taking the next pose for today. So you can ground your hands, bring the chin to the mat, and then press back into child's pose. So you can adjust the knees if needed. And then again, taking all the time you need, we're going to make our way back into our very first pose. So puppy pose, melting the heart towards the ground, extending the arms forward, keeping the hips lifted. If you're nice and comfortable here, then join the palms together and bring the hands towards your back. So this is our prayer position. We're going to stay here. You should feel a more intense stretch in the shoulder girdle, opening the armpit area a little bit more. And you should feel also a nice stretch in your triceps. Now, especially in this position, since it's a little bit more intense than the previous one, remember to breathe deeply. Really focus on the inflow and outflow of your breath. Melt away all the tension that you're holding on to. Let go of all the unnecessary grip in your body. Obviously, if this is too intense, you can always go back to the original pose, so you can extend the arms forward and relax there. Expand your chest a little more. Melt your heart a little more towards the floor. And now we're going to let go, so you can bring the hands on the ground. We're going to bring our body to the floor as well. Now you have a couple of options here. You can repeat Sphinx pose again, or you can lift a little higher into seal pose. If you're choosing the second version, then your forearms will be lifted from the ground and just the hands are there to support your body. Now adjust the left hand towards the middle, bend the right knee, and if you can, reach back with your right hand towards your ankle. So this is quite a deeper stretch. It will involve also your quad. So feel free to let go at any time or just try to hold it here, breathing deeply. Use the left hand for support. Use your right hand to pull the leg a little closer to you. And once again, focus on your breath. Let it flow. And slowly let go. We're now going to shift the right hand towards the middle. We'll be bending the left leg and we'll be holding on to the ankle with the left hand. Again, take your time to move in this position. Notice if one side feels a lot different than the other. Work towards balancing the right side to the left side. Feel the strength of your body. Slowly let go. Readjust your hands, lower down to the mat. And then press back. This time into child's pose. So we're going to bring the hips towards the heels. Extend your arms forward and lower the forehead to the ground. Now this is a great pose to learn how to surrender and let go of bad tension, bad energy. So really feel the weight of your body. Feel the belly and the chest pressing on your thighs. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Feel the breath in the back of your body. The ribs are expanding and contracting every time you breathe. When you're ready, you can slowly roll your spine up to a seated position. You can keep your eyes closed if you'd like. Lengthen all the way to the crown of your head. With gratitude, you can join the hands at your heart, slightly bowing the head towards your fingers. And simply take a moment to be thankful to your body and your mind for supporting your practice today. Thank you for practicing with me today. From my great soul to your great soul. Namaste.